Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your ASUS monitor to PS4. It's super simple. So if you have the HDMI, I don't know what kind of cable you have for your ASUS monitor, but if you have the ASUS monitor, which got HDMI like here on the picture, then what you need to do, you need to locate the PS4 HDMI port, and then you just have to connect it to the PS4. That's it. But there can be an issue if you don't have the HDMI monitor, but you have DVR or VGA, that you don't have the HDMI port on your ASUS monitor, then you need to get adapter. So you're gonna look here for the, let's say, VGA HDMI adapter, and then you have to buy something like this. So you're gonna insert it to the VGA, and then the HDMI ending is going to go to your PS4. I hope it makes sense. Or even if you have DVI, this is the same style. It's always the same. So you're gonna have the DVI, and you would connect it to the adapter, and then the ending goes to your PS4, and you got it.